you're joking, stop.
The orbit is humming, the thrusters are drumming, the glim rush is coming, the suckers are plummeting down in the trenches, the atmosphere's thickening, method is static, it's honestly sickening. I'm Killer Vex, call me static for the legacy, cybernetic eye word, tracking down the heresy, and the glass shards, pure processing power. Silicon stone, yeah, this is my hour. Soda punk scrap for the sludge and the shale, while I'm tasting the copper, I'm chasing the grail. Thermal full of cycling blue pulse veins, breaking through the static, breaking through the change.
Binary sensories, not just the credits, it's not just the gold, it's a billion-year history waiting to be told. I wear roared out of the gutter now, zero core. Show them the power now, defrag the planet, unlock the stars. We're leaving the stacks and the scars behind. Kinetic pulses, is glowing, circuitry flowing, the essence is knowing. You dig for the currency, we live for the history. Your hydro spade is a primitive mystery. The gun is a mindset, the synthesized core. Bugling, pinging, the binary lord. Don't just sell the glass for a ticket to the sky. Help us boot the core, let the planet fly. Static's looking at his hands, rust and grease. The guardians are mad, balance and peace. I need the credits burst, you need the soul. Which one is gonna take the ultimate control? Reboot, defrag, out of them, go! The memory, Fantasy 6, binary sensory, a fragmented drive of a world gone cold. The greatest story that's ever been sold. We're out of the gutter now, zero core. Show them the power now. We're not just drillers, we're cosmic heirs, ascending the glass stairs. Fantasy 6, defrag complete. Whisper. Check the status. Joke.